What if I told you that the blueberries in your freezer might be healthier than the fresh ones in the store? Yes, the frozen ones. Fresh berries look beautiful, but frozen blueberries might actually be more powerful. Let me explain. First, let's talk about fresh berries. Fresh berries are juicy, sweet, and full of flavor. But here's the part nobody tells you. Fresh berries start losing nutrients the moment they're picked. By the time they travel from the farm to the market, then to your kitchen, they may lose up to 30 to 50% of their vitamin content. They also spoil fast. One day, they're perfect. The next day, mold. Now let's talk about frozen blueberries. Frozen blueberries are picked at peak ripeness and frozen within hours. This locks in antioxidants, vitamins, flavor, color. Studies show frozen blueberries can have the same, or even higher, antioxidant levels than fresh ones. And they last for months. No waste, no rusing, no stress. Blueberries are one of the most powerful fruits on Earth. They're rich in vitamin C for immunity, fiber for digestion, anthocyanins for brain health, polyphenol for heart protection. These compounds improve memory, reduce inflammation, protect your heart, slow down aging. Freezing does not destroy these benefits. So which one is better? Here's the real answer. Fresh blueberries are great if you eat them immediately. Frozen blueberries are better for heavy checkmark long-term storage, smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, daily nutrition, if your berries travel far and sit on shelves. Frozen blueberries may actually be the smarter choice. Pro tip most people don't know. Frozen blueberries are perfect for gut health because they release their antioxidants slowly when blended. That means better absorption for your body. Final verdict. Fresh berries are delicious. Frozen blueberries are powerful. The best choice? The one you'll eat every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and follow for more food science, nutrition tips, and superfood secrets. Your body deserves the real truth, not the myths.